most favorite thing in the MTMI muscular ultrasound course was definitely the hands-on. The practical portion really let me as a provider learn the subtle nuances that are needed in order to gain that extra tool that I can help to diagnose an injury, a condition.
I took this course to learn a little bit more about ultrasound guided injections specifically, but it's been nice to also learn about diagnosing different pathologies with the ultrasound.
I've enjoyed the hands-on components of it, the chance to get my hands on the machines and really see and learn the anatomy through experience.
I chose this course because our physicians use a lot of diagnostic ultrasounds, and I assist with seeing the patients and the athletes that they bring in, and I just wanted a better understanding of what they were looking at to assist in diagnosing the athlete.
I would wholeheartedly recommend my colleagues who I work with professionally and even with the Occupational Environmental Medicine Society that I belong to really think about taking this course, because I think it is the wave of the future.